Wonders shall never cease, my correct people. The day wey wonders go cease for inside this country especially, that day wahala fit dey o. Now Oga Sowore don gather mind now wey dey describe Oga Obasanjo as Baba Gbaju sake of say the man go visit Tinubu wife during that Salah period. Just imagine, my correct people. And for those of us now wey no know the meaning of Gbaju, Kodama Ayani legit o. No say Gbaju na Yoruba slang and a metaphor for fraudulent people. Those people dey do fraud now, those bad people. Yoruba can say okay, Moko give them Gbaju, you understand? And this particular word na Professor Wole Soyinka now recently use am on Peter Obi wey been cause issues that period. Now Oga Sowore don use am on the former president of the country Nigeria wey be Olusegun Obasanjo. Meanwhile, my correct people, I bring you another informate wey still concern this man wey be Olusegun Obasanjo. You know say him be dey support Peter Obi during that 2023 presidential election, but now something come sup, e come as if he don abandon Peter Obi dey go support Tinubu. Now why him come go visit Tinubu wife instead of Tinubu during that Salah period? Now I go let you understand so. But before I proceed into the details I wan first welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. No say na only us na dey like give ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside this our country Nigeria. So if you know say you want to dey receive updates like that, feel free make you subscribe to this channel and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we bring the news dey come, you go first get the updates and you go get them sharp. So back to the cocoa of the hour. The tori be say Omoyele Sowore wey be the presidential candidate of the African Action Congress wey be AAC for inside the 2023 presidential election, he don dey describe the former president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Olusegun Obasanjo as Baba Gbaju sake of say the man go visit the president wife, the first lady of the country Nigeria. The woman name na Remi Tinubu. Now sharply my correct people, make a sama honor the genesis of this issue. So no say for inside one post on Monday will be the 17th day of June for inside this year 2024, now Salah will be the special assistant on media to the first lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria come dey yarn say Olusegun Obasanjo visit the wife of the president to come congratulate her on the Salah celebration, and this one happen for inside Lagos. Now why this visit now come tire plenty people for inside the country Nigeria na sake of say this man will be Olusegun Obasanjo, the things and things wey he don dey do lately, e come make country people come dey look am with one eye, they look another place with one eye. You know say 3 weeks ago Olusegun Obasanjo be dey criticize the administration of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The man dey talk say Tinubu now the way he take implement this fuel subsidy removal and the flotation of naira say e no make sense, and he come still talk some other things. My correct people wey be say if you hear am, you go think say Olusegun Obasanjo and Bola Ahmed Tinubu they be enemies. But now Salah don reach, the man now no go visit Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he can go visit him wife, they go congratulate her on the Salah. Now reacting to this visitation, so now Oga Sowore come carry am go dey write for im official X handle, and for inside that post wey Oga Sowore write, him come go dey talk bad about the former political party of Olusegun Obasanjo wey be the People's Democratic Party, and he come label the former president wey be Olusegun Obasanjo as Baba Gbaju. Now according to how Oga Sowore take write am for inside him tweet, he say Baba Gbaju don visit in real clients, people deceiving people since 1960. That na how Oga Sowore take write am for him tweet, my correct people. And the way he take use the word na the same way Wole Soyinka take use and take describe the Labour Party, the time wey dey yarn say na dem suppose win the 2023 presidential election. So therefore, my correct people, this post now wey Oga Sowore drop, e dey try tell us say Obasanjo na political fraud. And this one no be the first time wey the activist wey be Omoyele Sowore go tackle, as in go talk about the former president wey be Olusegun Obasanjo, wey don rule this our country Nigeria 2 times. He ruled the first one as military and the second one he ruled as civilian leader. And that period wey they come dey do campaign for the 2023 general elections, Oga Sowore come dey talk bad about Olusegun Obasanjo regime. He say Oga Obasanjo administration, it was a load, it was a burden, and it was very bad. He say even though he need support to become Nigeria's president, say he no go accept any endorsement, he no go accept any support wey come from Olusegun Obasanjo, because according to him, the former president wey be Olusegun Obasanjo get nothing to show for him 12 years in office. No be small wahala, my correct people. If you dey doubt me, make I yarn you the way Oga Sowore take write am. He say he need plenty of endorsement o, but he no go accept the endorsement of Chief Olusegun Obasanjo wey get over 12 years as president for inside the country Nigeria, but he no get anything to show except barbarism. Then he come ask, say wetin he go tell the people of Odi and Zaki Bayam, say the row wey massacre them now don become a mentor. No be small wahala, my correct people. And you see this vibe, e no end there o. The activist and the publisher of Sahara Reporters news platform wey be Omoyele Sowore, he constantly express him feelings give the public, as in he can't let country people still know say he no get one single love for the former president of the country Nigeria wey be Olusegun Obasanjo. For inside September the year 2022, when he come dey describe Olusegun Obasanjo as the father wey destroy Nigeria 2 times. And Omoyele Sowore dey yarn this one that way Peter Obi dey visit the former president wey be Olusegun Obasanjo sake of the 2023 general elections. And during the general elections, my correct people, Obasanjo support Peter Obi no be small. Even when the result don come outside, when the result come dey talk say na Tinubu na win the general elections, the thing pain this man well well. Come get time wey him come outside with another result. He say na the real result where him get am from. He no come fit defend himself. Later the matter he come close. Now country people now come cite this man for one occasion when him dey wear the cap wey be like Bola Ahmed Tinubu own, wey carry the same logo as Bola Ahmed Tinubu own. He come as if the man don dey support Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and this one dey happen just few weeks before he come go congratulate Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife for inside Lagos sake of the Salah celebration. Now if e be say Chief Olusegun Obasanjo don bench Peter Obi of the Labour Party and he don dey support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the APC, that one na confirm betrayal. And e go come be say everything wey Oga Sowore dey call am since na legit, wey just say him just prove him right. But my correct people, anyhow the thing be you for body, or any contribution wey you got to make about this information, so I just sama honor, you are free to drop it inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Daily TV, we all dey like give other ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, abeg make you try go subscribe and make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first get the update and you go get am sharp sharp. I dey bring other news for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.